Navigate to Gene website. Log in with GitHub. Once in the dashboard, connect your repository of choice. We'll use our own landing page for this example. Clone the branch you want to work on. Have the AI analyze it. Once it's ready, connect your project management tool of choice. Let's get a preview server running too. This preview is dynamic and will change as we make updates. Once on Trello, you'll get the usual stages. Let's request some updates on the Hero section. We'll make the text into a different color and shift the layout a little bit so that the marketing video pops more. We'll make the text into a different color and shift the layout a little bit. When we are ready, let's move the card to analysis. You'll notice it will be marked as thinking until it is done. Once the AI has analyzed the changes, we'll get a report of the changes the code needs and maybe other considerations. This text is best used by developers, but it is also understandable by non-technical profiles. Let's update our request. Maybe we got an update from marketing and we need to impact it. Also, remember this could be done by anyone on the board, so you could involve other interested parties directly. Clients, staff, etc. You'll see that the card is automatically moved to analysis and marked as thinking again. Eventually, it will be moved to plan and questions again. We'll get an updated version of the changes to be made. Remember, you can repeat this cycle until you are satisfied with the output. Let's move the card to develop and watch Gene work its magic. We can see the changes on the preview link. We can share this page with anyone. You can start to tell the changes happening by the color changing to green. The layout is also changing. You can see the tagline has updated and the video has been placed on top. We're ready. Let's check out Trello board. Once the card is in pending review, we'll get a report of what changed. This is a high-level explanation of the AI's plan execution. Don't worry, you'll be able to review the code shortly in case you want to request any changes. Back at the Gene dashboard, let's create a pull request to review the code. You'll see a list of all the tickets impacted on the pop-up. Once it is ready, you'll get a link to GitHub for peer review. The GitHub pull request will include links to the tickets impacted, where you can review the code and add comments. You could also go back to the board and request changes through comments like you did during the planning stage. When ready, merge the PR with your preferred strategy and wait for it to update. You'll need to update the preview server code to match the new state. Also, once the PR is merged and the preview server is synced, the Trello board will empty so you can start a new development cycle.
Gene, product collaboration made simple. From ticket to change, together.